Mid spotlights and celebrities, the Glen Island Casino opens its 1939 season. Let's listen to Glenn Miller's music.
Come on. So how many hours did it take you to put this together? A few. Oh, that's great.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Tonight there comes music from beside the waters of Long Island Sound. NBC's microphones are present at Glenn Miller's smart opening in the Glen Island Casino, mecca of music for moderns, just off the Shore Road in New Rochelle, New York. May we proffer our invitation to dance the music of one of America's foremost swing trombonists and ace arrangers, Glenn Miller and his orchestra.